In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable autoplay trailers on Amazon Prime. If you're finding those automatically playing trailers a bit annoying when browsing through shows and movies, don't worry, I'm here to help you turn them off quickly and easily. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to the Amazon Prime Video homepage. Simply type in the URL www.amazon.com/primevideo and you'll land right where you need to be. If you're not already signed into your account, go ahead and do so by entering your email and password. Once you're logged in, you're ready to dive into the next step. Take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there, and it's the key to accessing your account settings. Hover your mouse over this profile icon, and a drop-down menu should appear. From this menu, click on the option labeled Account and Settings. This is where you can manage all the finer details of your Prime Video experience. Now, you're in the Settings area, and your next move is to focus on finding the right set of controls related to how videos are played. To do this, click on the Player tab, usually found within the menu at the top of the page. This section is dedicated to options that influence your video playback preferences. Once you're in the player settings, you should see the setting we're targeting today, the Autoplay feature. Look for an option that's named Autoplay Previews while browsing on all devices. This feature is what causes those trailers to play automatically as you scroll through content. To stop this from happening, simply toggle this option off. You might notice a little switch or checkbox. Click it to change the setting to the off position, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully disabled those autoplay previews on Amazon Prime Video. Now, as you browse through the vast array of shows and movies, you'll have a much more peaceful experience without those automatic trailers catching you off guard. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Remember that these settings are linked to your account, so this change will apply across all devices where you're signed in. If you ever decide you miss the previews and want them back, simply follow these steps again to toggle the option back on. This flexibility lets you tailor your viewing experience exactly how you like it. So, there you have it, an easy way to take charge of your Amazon Prime Video browsing. We hope this guide has been helpful and that you enjoy a less disruptive streaming experience from now on. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out more of our tutorials for tips on navigating the digital world with ease.